All right, so we're like halfway into 2019 already. And there's some cool stuff going on in streetwear that I feel like everybody should be looking into. And I feel like a lot of people are missing out. So if you're trying to impress your boys and make girls like you more and pay more attention to you, you know, the whole nine, this is definitely not the video for you, buddy. Go take a walk. Get out of here. Okay, so now we got the streetwear chads out of here. I'm gonna fill you in on the top 5 streetwear trends of 2019. Go! No! I'm not gonna make this basic and say stupid stuff like, oh yeah, well, collabs are freaking cool. No, stop. No, collabs are not a trend. Saying your favorite streetwear trend is collabs is like saying your favorite basketball team is the Warriors. If you think of it, the Warriors are kind of just like the Nike Off-White collection as a sports team. But as you can see, our boy over here is better. Anyway, I'm gonna try and make this interesting. So we're gonna start off with the first one, and that's tactical wear. Tech wear is bigger than ever now, and it's cool to see the elements from that look getting shared with more casual styles. Things like, you know, just shoulder bags, belts, cargo pants, honestly, anything with straps at this point. Like, I'm trying to be able to adjust everything. Your waist, your torso, even your attitude, I don't know. From small things like a roller coaster belt that hangs off the side to even bigger out there pieces like a whole ass tactical vest. I really like the aesthetic. It adds great detail to your outfit, definitely makes you look spicier, hot sauce, El Yucateco, El Yuca Tech Wear. Why did I write that? It's not even that fun. Next up is mismatching. I personally love this. I've been mixing matching shoes lately. Sometimes I just want a little something over there. Sometimes I'm feeling kind of spicy. Sometimes I'm interracial. Sometimes I'm kind of dumb, but you know, that's none of your business. It doesn't just have to be shoes too. I've seen a lot of shirts or jackets that are just cut and sewn to be mismatched, split right down the middle. It really makes that contrast. And it doesn't even have to be garments. Even the mismatched colors are dope. Stuff like the new ones that just came out, those are really cool. Just makes the most out of your wardrobe without having to go out and buy more pieces. But this leads me to another great trend, DIY and customization. I've seen people draw on their jackets, or even people are even making their own jackets at this point. It's all a great way of expressing yourself without the need to buy branded stuff. I do this with my shoes. For my white Vans, I doodle things that relate to key events that have happened while I'm wearing the shoe. You know, it's kind of like a journal, but it's for fashion. Just a cool little way for me to personalize something and make it mine. But there are others that really just take it a step ahead with like some sick drawings and paintings on their clothes. It's crazy what you can do. Like, look at this. These are insane. But at the end of the day, you know what the best thing to work on and customize is? It's not in your closet. It's in the mirror. It's yourself. Because you are the reason you look good. Wow, that was nice. That was wholesome. Which is why I'm partnering with Dollar Shave Club to help you guys out. There it is. You can't be nice for like 3 seconds. You know what's worse than a bad fit? Bad hygiene. Yuck, it's disgusting. But see, Dollar Shave Club got your ass. Literally. They sell butt wipes. But don't let their name trick you, it's Dollar Shave Club, but not everybody shaves. But everybody has to take a shower. I mean, you have to. And if you don't, get off my channel. I can smell you in the comments. I have a shower routine all the time before even deciding on what I'm wearing, because fresh body, fresh fit. They got kits for everything you need. Showering, brushing your teeth. I better see everybody brushing their damn teeth. We always talk about cleaning our shoes and whatnot. Put that away. Here's a real toothbrush. They even got antiperspirant now. For all you weasels that just want to wear the shirt once, take a pic, and then resell it as, quote, dead stock. Well, now there's no evidence, boy. Also, you barely even have to spend anything. If you click on my link now at dollarshaveclub.com/respectwomen, you can get your own starter set too for just $5. And then it's shipped straight to your door. Free shipping. And after you try it, the monthly subscriptions are just priced depending on what products you end up liking. So if you don't like it, you don't gotta buy it. You can have the sickest, most street fit ever. But if you end up smelling like the street, I don't even wanna see it. So go take care of yourself. dollarshaveclub.com/respectwomen. Next up is oversized. I'm talking big oversized, like some puffer jackets, some outerwear, kind of like Billie Eilish as clothes. Stuff like this. Hoodies even look great too with this look. But oversized in general has really been hot for a minute now, but this new wave of heavy proportions, it's just a nice twist on the thing. And the last thing on the list is probably the best thing to come out of 2019. It's not a new concept, but I'm happy that it's being glorified now, and it's unbranded clothing. By this, I mean styling and fits that don't revolve around a brand name. You know, obviously clothes from good brands have a sense of quality, but it's nice seeing people tastefully style things without the need to let everybody know where they got it from. Definitely a trend I'm feeling for 2019, and hopefully it lasts in streetwear in general. It just kind of makes things more creative. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and thank you to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring the video. Go check them out with my link down below. Taking care of yourself will do way more than clothes ever will. Also, I'm launching a Discord next week. It's gonna be a blast. I gotta think of a name for it though. My name's Christian. The Christian Discord, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, cool. I think that's fine. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. And yeah, guys, go take a shower.